Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the ASUS ROG Strix XG259QNS 25-inch gaming monitor, a display built specifically for competitive speed and precision. This 24.5-inch Full HD monitor is designed with esports players in mind, featuring an overclocked refresh rate up to 380 Hz and an ultra-fast 0.3 milliseconds response time. The result is incredibly smooth motion with minimal blur, helping you track targets and react faster in high-intensity matches. It uses fast IPS technology to deliver sharp visuals and consistent colors, while AMD FreeSync Premium support reduces screen tearing and stuttering. ASUS also includes eLMB Sync, which works alongside variable refresh rate technology to maintain clarity without sacrificing smoothness. HDR400 support enhances brightness and contrast, adding more depth to highlights and darker areas. The ergonomic stand offers height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments, making it easy to find a comfortable setup for long sessions. Keep in mind, it's a 1080p display, so while it excels at speed, it's not focused on ultra-high resolution visuals. Overall, this is a performance-driven monitor built for players who prioritize responsiveness and competitive advantage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.